Hello everyone. We were doing chapter 3 business environment of class 12 and the topic was the dimension of the business environment. In this topic I have already explained the economic environment, political environment and social environment. In this video we will discuss about the legal environment, how the legal environment has an effect on the business. So let us start about the legal environment. The manager of every business enterprise has to obey the laws of the land. If you plan to open a business in India, so you have to follow the laws of the India. If anywhere in any area where you are opening your business, like if you are opening your business in USA, so you have to follow their laws, or if you are opening your business in India or say in MP, so you have to follow the rules and the laws of India as well as the laws of MP will be applicable to you. जहाँ जिस एरिया में आप बिज़नेस ओपन करेंगे वहाँ के लॉज आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे या फिर वहाँ के लॉज आपके ऊपर एप्लीकेबल हो जाते हैं. So according to the Companies Act 2013, Companies Act means it is an act or law which is applicable for the company. जो कंपनी के लिए applicable होता है, that is the Companies Act 2013. So it says that when you want to open a company, you have to do the registration of that company in ROC. अगर आपको कंपनी ओपन करनी है तो उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन आपको ROC में करना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू डू द रजिस्ट्रेशन, अगर आप रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवाना चाहते हैं या नहीं करवाएंगे, so the organization that you had opened in India will not be considered as a company. वो कंपनी नहीं मानी जाएगी, इंडिया के द्वारा वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंपनी नहीं मानी जाएगी. बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव टू ओपन अ बिजनेस इन इंडिया और एनीवेयर यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. अगर आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना वहाँ कंपलसरी है और आप रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवाते हैं तो वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मतलब बिजनेस, वो कंपनी नहीं मानी जाएगी इंडिया के द्वारा. सो यू हैव टू फॉलो देयर रूल्स and regulation. Legal environment also includes various laws and legislative act. Then administrative orders issued by the government authorities means ना सिर्फ लॉ बल्कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के द्वारा जितने भी ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, रूल्स रेगुलेशंस आते हैं, उन्हें भी फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. Court judgment as well as the decision rendered by the various commissions and agency at every level of the government, that is the central level or the state or the locals, all the orders has to be followed. So all the judgment given by the court should also be followed by the business organization. So legal does not only means act or laws, but the commissions, agency, judgment, orders of administration, all this comes under the legal environment. Next is the statutory warning. It also comes under the legal environment. There are some products in which the warning, it is essential for the business organization to write a warning in this product. For example, if we talk about the packet of a cigarette, you have seen that the warning is written that a cigarette smoking is injurious to health. If we are selling a cigarette, so it is compulsory for them because it is an order from the government. If the business organization does not follow the order given by the government, then the government will charge the penalty. कहीं ना कहीं government आपके ऊपर penalty लगा देगी. So it is also a part of a legal environment that the business organization have to follow. जो भी आप बिज़नेस कर रहे हैं उससे रिलेटेड रूल्स एंड लॉज आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे, अदरवाइज़ यू हैव टू पे द पेनल्टी विल बी चार्ज अगेंस्ट इट. Now next we talk about the Foreign Exchange Regulation and Management Act. This act tells that how many transactions can be done from the foreign nation और कितना पैसा आप foreign nation से ले सकते हैं. So you have to follow all these rules also. Next is the laws to keep a check on advertisement. In an advertisement also there are some rules and regulation. For example, advertisement of alcohol. In the alcohol products, in the advertisement it is written that these products are prohibited. Or you can see the product, baby product. In the baby product it is written that mother milk is the best for the baby, because this is the obligation given by the government. ये government के द्वारा दिए हुए obligation है and we have to follow these rules. If these laws and rules are neglected, so the business has to bear a heavy penalty. So these were about the legal environment. So I have used so many examples to explain the legal environment, and I hope so that you have understood this legal environment, how it has an effect on the business environment. So in the next video we will talk about the technological environment. So till then, take